In this question, a set of statements is given and you have to choose the option that represents the correct set of statements that explains that good vision depends on adequate intake of carotene-rich food. Statement A, vitamin A derivatives are formed from carotene. Now, this is true because carotene is a precursor of vitamin A, and beta carotene specifically is converted into retinal, which is a derivative of vitamin A in the body. 2. The photopigments are embedded in the membrane disc of the inner segment. Now, this is incorrect because photopigments are embedded in the membranous disc of the outer segment of photoreceptor cells, that is rods and cones. 3. Retinal is a derivative of vitamin A. This is true. Retinal, which is an aldehyde of vitamin A, is very important in the vision. Now, 4. Retinal is a light absorbing part of all visual photopigments. This is also true. Retinal undergoes a conformational changes when it absorbs light, thus triggering the phototransduction reactions or the cascade. So, the correct statements are 1, 3 and 4. Hence, the correct answer is option A.